Hello guys, it's Switch here. I just wanna show you the video. I mean, right now I just created the wallet. So maybe for somebody who actually wanna create the wallet as well and start earning the cryptocurrency, whatever that's name for it, like, you know, earning. Like I didn't earn anything yet, so we'll see how about that, how it works. So that's supposed to be the first video. Before the video of the game, but well, I can just upload this one as a first, I guess. So it's just an update of how to create basically the wallet. So within the game, we're just gonna press the connect the wallet, and I didn't have any wallet, so basically that's gonna redirect you instantly to the Telegram creating wallet account, or whatever its name. Its name your wallet. Basically, it's like a built-in wallet with your Instagram, Telegram account. And it's just super straightforward. You're just pressing to build the wallet, and then you have just the wallet. Just wallet appears, and then we have the tone space wallet, and that's mine wallet with my logo here. And apparently we can mine that on coin or whatever coin is it. So pretty much that's it. So you will have the ref link to the game itself on the Telegram, but also you will have the ref link to add me as a friend within this game. So that's how it looks on the ref link on the Telegram account, and then you can press play, and then when you're going to press play, you will have this window, and you can actually go play on the browser, which is better, right? To playing on the browser, unless you're playing on the phone. So I guess you just want to play on the built-in bot within the Telegram app. And then when we are going to be either whatever here playing on the phone, which is that window, or in the browser, we can just press the connect the wallet. I'm just gonna connect the wallet, and then that's the wallet built in the Telegram, which, like I said, you're just pressing the button that's gonna create for you. So it's not really like you don't need to know anything. So that's good for me. Like, it's my first wallet. We'll see. The reason actually making that video is to the people who are actually like know what's going on within the crypto world, or whatever, like within that app in general. Like, you can let me know in the comment section below. You can actually make any money, because at the end of the day, I don't mind to play a little bit of the game, but I just want to be focused on what I'm right now, want to learn the AI and stuff. But I have an idea right now, because if there's a lot of games like that, and we can connect all the games to actually one wallet, but I don't think so that's gonna work like that, because I assume that every game have a different wallet, which is shit, right? But if we be able to connect everything to one place and play some game 5 minutes today, and on Saturday play an hour, and, you know, just spending the time, because at the end of the day, everybody are a gamer, and I'm not saying like I'm not gonna play games anymore. I really wish to play the games, but the thing is, like, you don't really have any money from it, right? So what's the fucking point of playing that game if you don't have any money from it? Like, when you are a kid, yes, you are hooked and you're just playing for the sake of playing the games, but eventually you're realizing like you actually need to fucking spend that time adequately. Like, you need to get something from it. Like, I'm not getting any money right now doing the YouTube content, but I'm fucking learning every day. So that's much more valuable for me to basically learn on daily basis about something which in the future ultimately will give me the money, but I don't give a fuck about the money. I'm super excited about this, but if you're just playing the game for the sake of playing the game, at some point you will realize you're just basically wasting your time. That's what it is. I'm not telling you to not play the games. I'm just telling you to just be clever with while spending your time. So, did I press open the wallet in Telegram desktop? Right, and we're just gonna press connect, and we have the BOINKERS part of the game. That's the name. Now connected to Tone Space. Okay, we are connected. And I assume somehow can make something from it, but I have no idea how it works. Like, we are going to receive something at some point. Collect shit coins as points for drop. Send all to the moon to farm faster. Bonks will be launching on Ton. Okay. Enter altar. Secret altar. Legend foretold of an encrypted cookbook that turns artifacts into something else entirely. The altar stands empty. Seek out artifacts in mini games to unlock its power. Okay. So I guess that's forcing us to play some other mini games. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now. I probably will test this game and play a little bit more. So I just want to update you like to how to create the wallet, but I guess like everybody knows that because it's just like self-explanatory and it's like my first wallet. And I really appreciate if somebody actually knows something more about this and you can share your thoughts about like, can we actually make some money on it? Like, I don't know. Like, just you tell me. So take care and bye for now.